Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Welcome again to our new series concerning teaching Moroccan Darija. This series is named Darija Mini Classes. So, without further ado, let's dive in our first lesson. So, welcome again to the real Moroccan Darija, far from the textbooks. By the end of this session, you will be able to greet others, use time-specific phrases, and say goodbye using both formal and informal Moroccan Arabic expression while observing local cultural norms. So here we have the first part. In Moroccan Darija, we say Ahlan, Ahlan. So it is a standard way to say hello in English, a standard way to say hello. So it is a little bit informal. Ahlan, ahlan. We say it with friends and close relatives. So great. And salam also. Salam used primarily in informal situation, and it is literally means peace, peace. But or however, assalamu alaikum is the formal version, meaning peace be upon you. While formal, it is very common and can also be used in informal settings. Assalamu alaikum. So here you can notice, so the A, it is replaced with in Arabic. So it is a letter that is produced from the back of the throat, back of the throat. So that is why we so stress it a little bit, this letters Here, so we have a cultural note. When Moroccan greet each other, they often shake hands, then place their hand over their heart to show that the peace is sincere and coming from the heart. So especially they place the right hand on their hearts to show a great and deep respect for the person. So the second part here, so we have time-specific greeting. And here we talk about the part of the day, the part of the day. Moroccan Arabic uses specific phrases depending on the time of the day. And what I want to say is don't give much importance to the details, especially for the structure of language. I will explain why. So here we have Sabah al-Khair, Sabah al-Khair, good morning, literally translated to morning goodness. That is why I told you don't give much so important to the detail concerning the structure of the language. Sabah al-Khair, which means good morning. Sabah al-Khair. Msa al-Khair, Masa al-Khair, which means good evening, good evening. Literally also translates to evening goodness, evening goodness. It is a little bit strange, but this is the structure when we talk about so Moroccan Standard Arabic. So Leila Sa'ida, Leila Sa'ida. So pay attention to the pronunciation. Leila Sa'ida, A also. And here also we use Ain, Ain, which is the famous letter in Arabic standards. Ain, Leila Sa'ida. Literally translate to night happy, night happy. And also we have تصبح على خير, تصبح على خير, an alternative way to say good night. It is an alternative way to say good night. This is a phrasal sentence meaning waking up on goodness. Use it as an equivalent to the have a good morning when you wake up. Great, so moving to the part 3, parting ways or saying goodbyes. So there are several ways to end a conversation depending on your level of closeness with the person. For example, the first one is bislama, bislama. So the standard way to say goodbye, bislama, but we use it with friend and close relative as we have mentioned. Bislama, bislama. Tahalla, tahalla also is used with friend, tahalla, tahalla. And informal way to say take care, often used among friends as we have mentioned also. But here, so tahalla frask, tahalla frask, a more so intimate or humorous version of that literally means take care of your head. So to take care of your head, which means take care of yourself. Take care, tahalla frasik. In Moroccan Darija we say tahalla frasik, tahalla frasik, which means so take care of yourself, great, and have fun and enjoy and do all the good things that will bring benefit. Great. نشوفك من بعد. This is also a useful expression. نشوفك من بعد. Use it to say see you later. See you later. So pay attention to the pronunciation. نشوفك من بعد. نشوفك من بعد. See you later. Great. Now, so this is the most important part in our Darija Mini Classes, and here we have a real life conversation practice. That is what I want you to focus on and repeat it after me. Repeat it so many times in order to memorize the useful expression. Great. So here we have the scenario: two friends, Amina and Omar, meet in the morning and later part ways. So Amina, salam, which means hello or peace. Salam. Omar, assalamu alaikum Amina. Sabah al khair. Peace be upon you, Amina. Good morning. So don't forget that Moroccan people shake hand and put their right hand on their heart to show a deep respect to the others. Great. So they shake hand and put their hand to their hearts. صباح الخير, good morning, later as they leave. نشوفك من بعد, see you later, see you later. أيه, yes, أيه, بسلامة, goodbye, بسلامة, goodbye. Omar, تهلا في راسك, take care of your head, take care of yourself. So this is a real life practice which is so short and concise. I mean to the point, to the point. So the last part, I think so, the pronunciation challenge. I think that I have mentioned that Ain is the famous letter. So talking about Arabic standards, and I told you before that don't go deep into the language structure. So just take it easy, have fun while you are learning Moroccan Darija. So that is. I think that we reached the end of our Darija mini class. I hope it is useful, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe if you love this content. Thank you from the bottom. Shukran بزاف in Moroccan Darija. And